Whooping cough is a highly contagious respiratory tract infection. Generally, people have a hacking cough followed by a whooping sound. There's three easily recognized symptoms for whooping cough: a fever, runny nose, and coughing rapidly and violently. A good way to help prevent the spread of bacteria is to practice good hand hygiene. Also, cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. And be sure to wash your hands frequently. For more information, speak to your health workers, nurse, or GP.